Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today we are going to discuss part 3 of exercise 7.1. Before this I taught you part 1 and part 2. You can click to the I button to see those videos in which I have explained so many basic things regarding this chapter. So today I am going to start part 3 of this exercise, in which we will start solving question from question number 9. In question number 9 it is given, if P and Q are 2 points whose coordinates are 80 square, 280 and a by t square, minus 2a by t respectively, and S is a point a, 0, show that 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of t. We have to find the value of this. It should be independent of t. That means whatever result we will get, t should not be present in the solution of this. Then only it will be independent of t. I have just drawn a line and named it as PQ, where S is any point lying in between them. We have to find the value of 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ. The result of this should be independent of t. So SP means we have to use the distance formula from P to S, and SQ means we have to use the distance formula from S to Q. Okay, so first of all I will use the distance formula between SP. So 1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root, plus 1 divided by the distance formula of SQ is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. Okay, now substitute the values. X2 is a minus at square whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 0 minus 2at whole square root, okay, plus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 means a by t square minus a whole square plus minus 2a by t minus 0 whole square root. We will use the formula here. 1 divided by a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a b. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2a and b, plus 0 minus 2at is minus 2at, minus plus, so 2at square we will get for this. Okay, plus square root, again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a b. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2a and b, plus minus plus 2at plus 0 is 2at, so 2a by t whole square we will get, square root a square plus a square t to the power 4, because 2 squares are here, minus 2 a into a square t square plus 4, 2 2s are 4, a square t square root, plus 1 divided by a square by t to the power 4, okay, a square by t to the power 4 plus a square minus a into a to a square by t square plus 2 2s are 4, a square by t square, okay, 4a square by t square. Now by solving this we will get a square plus a square t to the power 4 minus plus minus, this can be subtracted because here the variables are same. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is plus 2 a square t square root, plus 1 divided by a square by t to the power 4 plus a square minus plus minus, again it can be subtracted, 4 minus 2 Okay, so again by arranging them, a will become a whole square, a t to the a square t to the power 4 will become a t square whole square, because it is a square, square into square is 2 to the power 4, plus 2 a into b can we write, because it is a into a is a square t square. Assume that this is a, this is b, so in that way we will write 2ab square root plus a square t4 can be written as a by t square whole square plus a square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square square root 1. Okay, so this can be written as a plus b whole square, because a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, this also can be written as a plus b whole square square root, because this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, square and root over will be cancelled from both, so we will get 1 by a plus at square plus 1 divided by a by t square plus a. Okay, so we will multiply this term here, we will get 1 by a plus at square plus 1 divided by a plus at square divided by t square, because this t square I multiplied here. Arrange this, this will go to the numerator, this term will go to the numerator, so we will get 1 by a plus at square plus t square by a plus at square. Okay, as this term has gone to the numerator, so a plus at square will be left in the denominator. Now LCM will be a plus at square, so a plus at square will be the LCM, and we will write these two terms together. Now from the denominator we will take out a common, so 1 plus t square by, take out a common, 1 plus t square we will get, because from here a has gone, 1 is left, plus from here a has gone, t square is left. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square are similar, answer will be 1 by a. So this is the value of 1 by sp plus 1 by sq, and it is independent of t, there is no t in the answer. Okay, it is independent of t. Question number 10, it is given, if q 0 comma 1 is equidistant from this and this, find the value of x, also find the distance between qr and pr. Okay, so I will just draw a rough diagram here. Suppose this point we will take it as q, and it is equidistant from p and r, so it is equidistant from p and r. Okay, the coordinates of q are 0 comma 1, coordinates of p are 5 minus 3, and coordinates of q are x comma 6. Okay, now we have to find the value of x as pq equals to qr, because it is given that q is equidistant, q is equally apart from p and r, that means this value is equals to this, so pq equals to pr. Now use distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root equals to again x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. From both the sides square root will be cancelled. Now write the values in place of these terms. 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square equals to x minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. Okay, square root has gone. 5 minus 0 is 5, so 5 square minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 square equals to x minus 0 is x square, 6 minus 1 is 5 square. Bring these two terms this side, so we will get x square plus 5 square is 25. This when we will take it this side it will become minus 5 square is 25, minus minus is plus 16, when 16 will come this side it will become minus 16 equals to 0. Plus 25 minus 25 cancels, so we will get x square equal minus 16 equals to 0. Bring 16 this side, x square equals to 16. Give square root to 16. So x equals to root over 16. That is x equals to 4. So the value of x is, we got 4. Now we have to find the distance of QR as well as PR. So the distance of QR will be, use the formula QR in place of x. In place of x, write 4 comma 6. The coordinate of r will be 4 comma 6. So the distance between QR is 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square square root equals to 4 minus 0 is 4 square, 6 minus 1 is 5 square, square root 16 plus 25 square root. So the value of QR will be 16 plus 25 is 41 square root. Value of QR is 41. Now the value of PR, distance between PR will be 4 minus 5 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square square root. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 square, 6 minus minus is plus, so 6 plus 3 is 9 square square root. It will be minus 1 square is 1, 9 nines are 81 square root. So we will get square root of 82. Square root of 82. This is the value for PR. This is the distance of PR. Okay, next question. In question number 11 it is given, find a relation between x and y such that the points xy is equidistant from the point this and this. So already we have solved the previous question where equidistant word was used. So here also we will use the same process. We will write this one as O suppose, and it is equally distance from A and B. Always you draw a rough diagram to understand the question. Okay, x comma y is 0, 3 comma 6 is A, and minus 3 comma 4 is B. So we have to find a relation between x and y. When we will solve this, we will get a relation between x and y that we will find out. So as we can see, OA is equals to OB because this is equidistant from A as well as B. So this length will be equal. So OA equals to OB. Now x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. Both the square roots will be cancelled. x2 minus x1 is x minus 3 square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to x minus minus plus 3 square minus minus plus 3 square. Directly I am writing y minus 4 square. Okay, use a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2a and b plus again a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, equals to, here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2a and b, and here a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2a and b. Okay, now we will arrange the terms. After arranging them, we will get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y equals to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. This much we got. Now we will bring all the RHS terms towards LHS. So this one I wrote as it is up to 12y. Now minus x square minus 9 minus 6x minus y square minus 16, and it will become plus 8. Okay, which all the two terms are having opposite sign. X square cancelled, y square cancelled, and minus 9 plus 9 cancelled. Now these many terms are left. Minus minus plus, so minus 12x minus plus minus, so minus 4y. 36 minus 16 is 20. Okay, now take out 4 common, take out minus 4 common. So when we will take out minus 4 common, minus 4 3s are 12, minus plus minus, 4 ones are 4, minus minus plus, 4 fives are 20. So this much we will get. Bring minus 4 this side. So the relation will be 3x plus y. Bring minus 5 this side. It will become plus 5. This is the relation between x and y. Thrice of x plus y will give us 5. This is the relation between x and y. Okay. Next, in question number 12, it is given. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are 8, 6, 8, minus 2, 2, minus 2. Also find its circumradius. Okay. So for you, circumcenter is a new word. Okay. So to explain this, I have just drawn a diagram. Inside a circle, any other figure we will draw, and that center will be called as circumcenter, because this triangle is circumscribed inside the circle. Circumscribed means it will be drawn inside the circle, and in circle means circle will be given inside the triangle. Okay, so these are the two different words you have to remember, circumcircle and incircle. And this center is called as circumcenter. We have to find out the coordinates of circumcenter, that is O. So I have just drawn a diagram. These are the radius for the circle, because any line which touches the center and which joins to the circumference of a circle is called as radius. Okay, so there are 3 radius I have drawn because 3 vertices are given in the triangle. So from the given triangle we can easily assume that OA equals to OB equals to OC, because all are equals to radius. All the distances will be same because all are radius. Okay, so OA equals to OB equals to OC. All the 3 are radius. That's why I have written everything. All the 3 are equal. If we will equalize first, OA equals to OB. That means we have to find out the distance between OA and OB first. Okay, so I will use the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root. Okay, square root will be cancelled. Now we will substitute the value x2 minus x1. That means x minus 8. OA is x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. We will bring both the terms this side, because you can see these two terms are same. It will be cancelled. Okay, so I wrote these two as it is. This term when we will bring towards LHS, it will become minus. Again this term when we will bring this side, it will become minus. Y minus minus plus 2 whole square. X minus 8 whole square, x minus 8 whole square. Here plus sign is given, here minus sign is given. So both the terms will be cancelled. Now y minus 6 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square is left. We will use the formula a minus b whole square for this. A square plus b square minus 2a and b minus a square plus b square plus 2a and b. Write them inside the bracket because in front of them minus sign is there. This will be multiplied inside. Okay, in the next step, y square plus 36 minus 12y minus y square minus 4 minus 4y. Okay, y square and y square will be cancelled. Minus 12y minus 4y is minus 16y minus minus plus. 36 minus 4 is 32. Take 32 that side. It will become minus 32. Divide minus 16 here. Minus minus cancels. 16 2s are 32. So the value of y is. So now we are going to equalize OB equals to OC. For both the side we will use distance formula. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root. Okay. For both the sides square root will be cancelled. X minus 8 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay. One more thing you remember, whenever there will be variable and the other coordinates will be numbers, then always you write the variable first then number. like x minus 8, y plus 2, x minus 8, y minus 6. In this way you write. Don't write number first then variable. Always you write first variable then numbers. Okay. So you can see here that these two terms are same. In the previous condition, x minus 8 was same. Here y plus 2 will be same. So I will bring all the terms this side. It will become x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square equals to 0. These two will be cancelled because one is plus, one is minus. Okay. Use a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2a and b equals to 0. X square plus 64 minus 16x minus x square minus 4 minus minus plus 4x equals to 0. X square and x square will be cancelled. Minus 6x plus 4x is minus 12x. Okay. 64 minus 4 is plus 60 equals to 0. Take 60 that side. Minus 12x equals to minus 60. Divide 12 here. X equals to minus 60 by minus 12. Minus minus cancel. 12 5 ja 60. So the value of x is 5. That means the circumcenter, the coordinates of circumcenter is x comma y, that is 5 comma 2. Okay, and the circumradius will be the length of OA. Okay, either OA or OB or OC, anything. So we will find out the distance of OA. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. In place of xy you use 5 and 2. 5 minus 8 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square, square root equals to 5 minus 8 is minus 3 square, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 square, square root equals to, minus is plus, so 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus 16 square root, 9 plus 16 is 25 square root. So the value of OA is 5 units. That is circumradius. So I hope you might have understood everything whatever I have explained. If you have any queries you can ask me in my comment box so that I can clarify all your doubts. Okay, thank you all of you.